Hello my dear student, I am your science teacher. Today I will teach you lesson number 7, weather, climate and adaptations of animals of climate. Firstly, I will give you introduction about it. Weather and climate have a great impact on our daily life. Weather and climate determine the type of clothes we wear, mode of transport we use, types of food we grow and eat, etc. All the living organisms are adapted to survive in the climatic conditions of their natural habitat. Firstly, I will tell you about the weather. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at that place. The temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. are called the elements of the weather. The weather at a place changes every day. Sometimes it is more warm, more humid, more cloudy or more windy. Sometimes it is less warm, less humid, less cloudy or less windy. Next one is climate. Climate is not the same as weather. What is the difference? Weather is the state of the atmosphere at given time and place. It is measured in terms of factors such as temperature, rainfall, humidity and cloudiness. But climate is the average weather for a region over a long period of time, usually 30 years. Weather can change several times a day. The climate normally takes a long time to change. Next topic is adaptation in animals. Firstly, I will give you information about adaptation. The way animals and plants become better at living in their habitat. Adaptations allow species to live successfully in their habitat. Species living in different habitats need different adaptations. Now I will tell you the adaptations of the elephant. The elephant has a long trunk which it uses as nose and for picking up food. It has a strong sense of smell. The tusks are modified teeth which helps it to tear barks of trees to eat. Its large ears help it to hear even soft sounds. It also helps it to cool itself in hot climate. Next adaptation is camel adaptation. The hump of a camel is an important adaptation for desert survival. A percentage of the water tongue is chemically bound to the fat in the hump, and upon fat metabolism, the water is released. During periods of prolonged drought, the camel depends on water stored in the blood cells, fat in the hump, and body tissues. In this way, a camel is able to produce and conserve water for extended periods of time. Next one is adaptation in polar bear. A polar bear lives in the cold, snowy Arctic lands. It is white. This helps it to blend with the snow and ice that are found there. It has a layer of fat under its skin. This helps it stay warm. It has very wide, large paws. Wide, large paws help it walk in the snow. These are the three adaptations a polar bear has to its Arctic environment. Okay students, I hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.